You love Cheremihos?
Yeah.
Ayan Grain, do you love? Hi Zeri. Ayan Grain, do you love Cheremihos? Ganahan ganda ko tong Ayan Grain ay.
We're looking, we're looking Siri for Mr. Green, Sakasama, Solapapa, Chaka Chaka. Is he okay? Is he wants Mary? Cherry.
Mr. Green is Gambul's hit, so to Cherry Mangoes.
Sa daw?
Mr. Green is Gambul's hit, so to Cherry Mangoes.
Scam daw, scam.
Mr. Green is Gambul's hit, so to Cherry Mangoes.
Ala, ni-scam lang pala siya sa imo.
Sa scam
Mr.
niya.
Green is
Ikaw si Sulti, ano scam?
He's a scam daw.
Gi-scam lang day kaniya.
Mr. Green is Gambul's hit, so
Dili
to
man siya
Cherry
kon.
Mangoes.
Scam daw. Bitaw.
Dili ay.
Gi-scam lang daw. Tinuwa si Siri nagsulti.
Mr. Green is scam bullshit, so the cherry manjos.
Ala, scam bullshit daw kuno to.
Mr. Green is scam bullshit, so the cherry manjos.
Inya na ba? Ayan Grain. Ayan
Yeah,
Grain.
Ayan Grain, yeah.
Yeah,
Do you
listen
love-
again.
Do you love Cheremihos?
No, wala. Sabi niya, no, because
Mr. Green is scam bullshit, so the cherry manjos.
she said bullshit. Boy said bullshit.
Bullshit.
Mr. Green is scam bullshit, so the cherry manjos.
Bullshit ko daw.
Oh,
No, no.
bullshit daw ka.
No,
Mr. Green is scam bullshit, so the cherry
scam
manjos.
bullshit daw.
Si Ayan Grain may bullshit, dili ko.
Yeah.
Si Ayan Grain man gud yung ingon.
Nya unsa pa?
Mr. Green is scam bullshit, so the cherry manjos.
Eng na kuno kung
Na
Siri.
Ayan Grain ba nga?
I agree, yeah.
Dili man to siya scammer kay nakita.
Sabi niya, scam daw